The developer for the project was Levitt Commercial, and their whole ambition was to revitalize the 1962 historic post office project as like a cultural hub to bring in people to the downtown. My name is Marceline Lacombe, and I'm a lighting designer and project manager at Dotdash. My role for the Post HTX project was to lead the design for the base building.
My name is Marta Casarin. I'm a lighting designer at Dotdash and project manager. I was managing the lighting design for the Live Nation portion of Post HTX, so the concert venue.
Our ambition for the project was rather to litter the ceiling with downlights. We really wanted to integrate the lighting into the architectural elements so that we could really highlight the space.
So when we picked Kelvix, what interested to us was the flexibility and the wide product range that Kelvix has to offer.
So one of the main features of the space was the market stairs, which is in the market hall atrium. And I think that what set Kelvix apart from other lighting manufacturers is that they were able to design this custom radius tubular fixture that looks very similar to a fluorescent strip light, which is what kind of the aesthetic was, but it's a much more budget-friendly option. And also for ease of accessibility, it was like perfect extrusion for this construction. It really added so much light to this space and was great for just the general installation.
For Live Nation, we used Kelvix quite a lot. A similar strip light was used at the Live Nation restrooms where we needed a tubular extrusion with an RGBW tape, but also we needed a very high lumen output, as well as the capability to dim down to 0.1%. So Kelvix engineered for us this tubular light that carries an RGBW tape as well as two white tapes. We have this polycarbonate wall that is a huge part of the project that we decided to light from the inside. So we used a Kelvix extrusion that is that was running vertically through the wall and providing this glow to the translucent panels.
One of the main challenges I would say for the space is that the project broke ground in 2019, and so the bulk of the coordination and CA really happened during the peak of COVID. There was a lot of critical moments that happened on Zoom calls, like the market stair, for example. Kelvix was really great at helping us get all of the samples we needed to test different lighting effects, and that I think in itself really made the process so much better.
I think that I really liked about working with Kelvix is the fact that we're always readily available to assist us with any questions that we had.
My favorite part of working with Kelvix is their ability to come up with creative and quick solutions for very specific project needs.